Hi, Room 230. Welcome to math. Today I'm going to teach you a math game. For this game, you're going to need to get some things. You're going to need a deck of cards. It can be Uno cards or just regular playing cards, as long as they have a number on them. That's whatever deck you have, just choose a deck that has numbers. You're also going to need your math journal to solve some math problems, something to write with, and then you're going to need your Bridges workbook page. The game I'm going to teach you is called Target 700, and your record sheet is in your math journal. I've already used mine up, so I'm not going to use mine today. Instead, I'm going to use my digital version on my iPad, but when you play, you're going to play in your workbook. But before you do anything, you need to get your cards set up. So you're going to take your deck of cards and you're going to take out any cards that are not the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. You want to keep 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for instance, here's a 7. I want to keep it. 6, yes, I want. 2, no, I don't want the 2 because it's not 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. 8, yes, I want it. 3, nope, I don't. It's too small. 3 is smaller than 4. Oh, here's a special card. Here's a skip card. Don't want it. 4. Do we want 4? Yes, because we're keeping any card that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Draw 4. Nope, that's a special card. We don't want it. 6. Do we want it? Yes. So you're going to split up your deck and you're going to get all the cards that you want and put them into one stack, and then the other ones you're just going to set aside. You don't need those. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to play. So here's the record sheet. And like I said, this game is called Target 700. And as you can see, there is 2 teams. There's the blue team and the red team. And the goal of this game is to get as close to 700 as possible. You're going to do that by drawing a card and deciding, do you want that card to be your hundreds place, your tens place, or your ones place? And then once you've got all 3 filled in, you say what your total is. And then down here, you put your all 3 scores in order. My score, your score, and then 700. So let's play and I'll show you what I mean. So I've got my Uno cards ready to go, and I'm going to go first. I'm going to be the blue team and you be the red team. The first card I draw is a 7. 7, well, 700 is our goal. So I think I'm going to make my hundreds 7. 700. So I write that in. Your turn. You got an 8. And you're thinking 8 is too big. 8 is way past, for hundreds place. That'd be way past 700. Do you want to make it a 10 or a 1? You're thinking tens place? Okay. So let's put 8 tens. So 8 tens is 80. All right. Next number, I got a 9. 9 is really big because if I put it in my tens place, that would be 790. That feels really far away from 700. So I'm going to put 9 here in my ones place. You got a 6. Where do you want that? You can put it either in your hundreds place or in your ones place. You're saying hundreds place? Yeah, I think that's smart. So you guys right now have 680, and then whatever you get for your ones. 680 is really close to 700. I think you might win this round. Let's see what I get. It all depends on what I get for my 10. Oh, I got a 7. Well, I can tell that I'm not going to win this round because my total is 700 plus 70 plus 9. 779. Yours is going to be 680 something. Let's see what you got. You got a 7. Yours is 687. Okay, so let's put these in order. Remember, we've got this one, and the number 700. So of these 3 numbers, 779, 687, 700, which one is the smallest one? Yeah, you're right. 687 is the smallest. Which one is the next smallest? 779 or 700? Yes, 700 is the next smallest, and then my score, 779, is the biggest. But now the person who is closest to 700 is the winner, though. So let's think about that. Which one of these numbers, 687 or 779, is closest to 700? We might even have to think about this by doing some math. I can think to myself about my score, 779. That seems pretty easy to figure out how far away that is from 700. 779 minus 700 is what? Yeah, 79. So I'm 79 away. But let's think about yours now. Let's think about your score of 687. How far away from 700 is that? Well, if you added 10 to 687, what would you get? Yeah, 697. 697, 698, 699, 700. 10 and 3 more is how much? 13. Yeah, I was 79 away and you were only 13 away. So you are for sure the winner. All right. That was not even close. Let's play a second round and maybe I'll beat you this time. Let's see. Okay, losers get to go first. So I'm gonna go first. I got an 8. I know I don't want that to be the hundreds place. That would be way too big. I think I'm gonna have it be my tens, 80. It worked for you when you had 80 as your tens place in the last round, so maybe it'll work for me. Your turn, you got a 6. You're sticking with it being in the hundreds place because it worked so good for you last time? Don't blame you. 600 for you. All right, now I get to choose my hundreds or my ones. 8. I for sure don't want 8 to be my hundreds place because that would put me way past 700. So I'm guess my 8 is gonna be in the ones place. Oh boy, I'm feeling a little nervous about this because the only one I have left is my hundreds. Uh-oh. You get a 9. Do you want that to be your tens place or your ones place? Well, if you made it your tens, that'd be 90. 690 is really super close. Yeah, I think that's the right thing to do. All right, now I find out what my hundreds is. Ooh, please let it be a 6. Oh, it's a 5. Shoot, I'm like now way too small. So my number is 588. I guess even if I'd gotten a 6, I still would have been too small because yours is going to be 690 something. What if you got a 9? Then you'd only be 1 away from 700. That would be pretty cool. Let's see what you get. 3. Not a 9, but still way better than what I got. You guys got 693. 693. Oh, I think it's obvious who won this round. Let's put them in order first. So we have 588, 693, and we also are going to include 700. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 588. Which one is the next smallest? 693. And then the last one is 700. It's pretty obvious that you guys won because you're the closest to 700. How close is 693 from 700? We could just count that up on our fingers. Put 693 in your head. 694, 695, 696, 697, 698, 699, 700. You guys are only 7 away, whereas I'm like, I don't know, I'm like 100 and something away, 120 or roughly away. Oh dear, I've lost 2. Maybe I'll win this third round. All right, last round. Let's see. Losers go first, so I'm gonna go first. And I got an 8. Well, I think I'm going to stick that in the tens place like I did the last time, but let's hope I get something better for my hundreds. So I have 80. You got 7. Where are you going to put that? Hundreds, tens, or ones? Here are a lot of you saying hundreds. That's what I did in my first round. It didn't work out so good for me. I hope it works out good for you. Let's see. I got a 4. I definitely do not want to put 4 in my hundreds place because that would be way too small because I'm trying to be as close to 700 as I can. So I'm going to put my 4 in the ones place. Oh, I'm in the same position I was last time where I don't know. It just depends on what I get for my hundreds. Okay, your turn. You got a 5. Do you want to put that in the tens or the ones? If you put it in the tens, it'd be 750. Now remember, there's the smallest card is 4. So 5 is actually pretty small compared to the rest of the cards in the deck. You're going to do tens? Yeah, I think that's smart. Okay, so you're at 750. So you're 50 over 700. And I don't know what I am because I don't know what this last one's going to be. Oh, here it is. I'm feeling really nervous. Oh, wait, no, I got a 5. Oh, that is so far away from 700. So my number is 584. 584. Your number is 750, whatever this card is, 759. 759. Good thing you put that 5 in the tens place. So your number is 759. And now we have to put them in order. So don't forget we're including the 700. Which one is the smallest? Yep, mine, 584. I am so far away from 700. And which one goes next, 700 or 759? Yeah, 700. And then yours is 759. Which one is closer, 759 or 584? 759 is only 59 away, right? 584, if I added 100, I'd be at 684, and then I'd have to keep going. I could get out my math journal and figure it out exactly, but it's pretty obvious that you guys won, 759. So you guys won all 3. That's kind of upsetting to me. I didn't even win a single one. All right, that's a fun game. I wish I could play again with you. So remember, your recording sheet is inside your journal, and it is page 98. Page 98. If you want to play a second time and you used that up, what you could do is just open up your math journal to a clean page, and you could just kind of copy the recording sheet on here and just use a clean page. And then when you're trying to figure out who's the winner, you can also do your math inside your math journal to figure out who is the winner. All right, that was a fun game. Will you please play that game with somebody in your house this week? Remember, you're also going to need some cards to play it. And then take a picture of your recording sheet and send it to me so I can see who won and so that I know that you've done your homework. Okay, looking forward to seeing you again in the next math lesson, but play this game before you watch the next math lesson, and I'll see you in math group this week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.